Have you ever looked at a place and thought, this can't be Earth? Welcome to Iceland, a land where reality bends and nature rewrites the rules. From steaming alien landscapes to glaciers that glow like cosmic ice, Iceland doesn't just resemble another planet, it feels like it is one. In today's video, we're diving into the most surreal locations on this mysterious island and exploring why astronauts train here instead of Mars. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we journey across lava fields, black deserts, and glowing lagoons you won't believe are real. 1. Volcanic majesty of Land Manalaugar. Land Manalaugar stuns visitors with rainbow-colored rhyolite mountains shaped by volcanic activity. The vivid hues resemble painted hills found nowhere else on Earth. Steaming hot springs bubble between obsidian lava fields and moss-covered rocks. You'll feel like you've crash-landed on a planet where lava flows are frozen mid-motion. The mix of sulfur smells and distant volcanic grumbles only adds to the eerie otherworldliness. Trekking here isn't just a hike, it's a surreal expedition. The terrain constantly shifts from bright orange to deep black. Glacial rivers run through cracked earth and boiling puddles. If Mars had forests, they'd look like this. The alien glow of Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon glows with a milky turquoise color that seems to pulse beneath the surface. This geothermal spa, formed by runoff from a nearby power plant, looks engineered by aliens. Steam floats above the water like dry ice fog on a sci-fi movie set. The mineral-rich water gives skin a surreal feel, as if you're bathing in lunar milk. The lava rocks surrounding the lagoon create sharp, black contrasts that resemble meteor fields. Bathers appear to hover in the mist like beings from another world. The warmth seeps into your soul, disconnecting you from earthly worries. It's peaceful, strange, and slightly haunting. At night, the stars mirror in the glowing water as if portals are opening above. 3. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Jökulsárlón is a place where icebergs float like ghost ships across a black glass lake. The ice chunks sparkle in hues of blue and white so intense they seem computer-generated. It's eerily quiet, with the only sound being the crackle of ice shifting. Seals pop up and vanish like creatures from deep space. Each iceberg is shaped uniquely, some smooth as sculptures, others jagged like frozen explosions. The black sand beach beside it, known as Diamond Beach, is littered with crystal-clear ice that glows like stars. Walking here feels like stepping into a glacial moon colony. The wind is sharp, the atmosphere thin, and the view entirely surreal. 4. The black sands of Reynisfjara. Reynisfjara is a volcanic black beach where the sand absorbs light and sound, making everything feel muted. Towering basalt columns rise like petrified waves frozen in time. The crashing ocean feels far away, like an echo through space. Off the shore, jagged rock formations called Reynisdrangar pierce the sky like alien monoliths. Local legends speak of trolls turned to stone, adding a mythic layer to the already surreal setting. The wind whips violently here, often lifting the volcanic sand into the air. There's no color, only gray, black, and white, and yet it feels alive. You could film an entire science fiction movie here without props. 5. Vatnajökull Ice Caves. Hidden beneath Europe's largest glacier are ice caves that glow an unearthly blue. These frozen tunnels twist and curl like something out of a deep space ship. Light filters through the dense ice, creating a liquid-like glow that illuminates your path. The silence is overwhelming, no drips, no echoes, just frozen stillness. Walls are textured like glass waves suspended in time. Walking through them feels like moving through a crystallized dream. The ice is alive, creaking and shifting softly. Some chambers are narrow enough to crawl, others open into vast blue halls. Even breathing feels amplified in this underground world. Photographs look digitally enhanced, but it's all natural. 6. The Martian desert of Askja is a vast volcanic caldera in the central highlands of Iceland, resembling a Martian crater. Its desolate plains stretch endlessly with no trees, no animals, just red rocks and ash. NASA once used it to train astronauts, and for good reason. The barren beauty is as harsh as it is hypnotic. A deep crater lake in the center adds an eerie splash of water to the dusty scene. The smell of sulfur lingers in the air, reminding you that the earth beneath is alive. The ground crunches underfoot like powdered glass. Wind rushes through valleys like whispers from the past. Standing in Askia is like being at the edge of time, staring across a dead world. It's peaceful, yes, but profoundly alien. 7. Northern Lights, Iceland's celestial show. The aurora borealis dances in Iceland's skies like cosmic spirits. Green, purple, and blue lights swirl across the atmosphere in mesmerizing patterns. It's more than a light show, it's a portal to another dimension. The movement feels intelligent, almost alive. Watching the lights ripple above snowfields and icy lakes adds to the sensation of being far from Earth. Silence falls across the land as all eyes look upward. Cameras can't capture the magic, no matter how advanced. People cry, cheer, or just stand breathless. The Northern Lights in Iceland aren't just weather, they're a conversation between worlds. Ancient myths believed they were gods or spirits, and it's easy to see why. 8. Geothermal fields of Verir is one of the most bizarre places in Iceland, a bubbling, hissing, steaming wasteland of colors and smells. It looks like a potion lab from another universe. Mud pots boil with violent energy, sending up foul-smelling steam clouds. The ground is stained yellow, orange, and red from mineral deposits. Geysers sputter unexpectedly, adding sudden bursts of drama. No plants grow here. No animals wander. Only steam, sulfur, and the heat of the Earth's core. The soundscape is unreal, constant hissing and bubbling, like whispers from deep below. It's easy to feel like you're trespassing in a place not meant for humans. The sky feels too big, the ground too unstable. 9. Snæfellsjökull, the gateway to the center of the Earth. Snæfellsjökull volcano is famous not just for its appearance, but its legend. This glacier-capped peak inspired Jules Verne's journey to the center of the Earth. Its symmetrical slopes rise like a spaceship ready to launch. Clouds often swirl perfectly around its summit, giving it a mystical aura. Locals believe it's a center of spiritual energy. The landscape surrounding it is just as surreal: lava fields, mossy craters, and hidden caves. You can walk for hours and feel like you're not moving. The energy here is hard to explain. It feels like the land is aware of you. Photographers say no two pictures of Snæfellsjökull are ever alike. It changes constantly with the light, clouds, and seasons. 10. Silfra fissure, between two continents. Imagine diving between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Silfra fissure offers exactly that crystal-clear water in a rift between continents. The visibility is unreal over 100 meters. You feel like you're floating through glass corridors carved by time. The water fed by glacier melt is freezing but pure. Colors shimmer underwater in shades of blue you didn't think existed. Rock walls rise beside you like planetary cliffs. You can touch two continents at once. How many places on Earth let you do that? Every movement feels slow, weightless, and surreal. Silfra is more than a dive site, it's an intercontinental passage. Iceland isn't just a destination, it's a portal to another world, a landscape where science fiction and reality blur in every direction. Whether it's the glowing lagoons, the cosmic lights above, or the steaming alien ground beneath your feet, Iceland will make you question what planet you're truly on. If you enjoyed this journey across Earth's most otherworldly island, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another exploration into the extraordinary. Let's keep uncovering the secrets of our planet-toned surreal wonder at a time. From deserts to ice caves, black sands to blue lagoons, the adventure never ends. Subscribe now and stay curious, because the next video might just take you even further from Earth.